This is your daily story. Begin by placing your hands softly on your laps. Palms open. Take a deep breath and allowing yourself to relax. Feel the air moving in and out of your body as you settle into a space of listening. Not just to others, but also to yourself. So how often have you found yourself reacting when someone makes a statement like, I want this or that to happen, or I need that? Maybe you feel an urge to respond, to fix, or to agree. Now think about how often you have made a statement hoping for a specific response only to feel misunderstood or disappointed. This happens because beyond spoken words, there's a subtle dance of intention between making a request, an offer, or an invitation. Often without clarity, we mix those up. We might state our desire but hope someone else takes action to make offers without respecting our own limits or theirs. The result: miscommunication, frustration, and missed opportunities for connection. So when we don't recognize these subtle differences, interactions can feel confusing or one-sided. We might give too much, expecting something in return, or take without considering the impact. Misunderstanding these dynamics can lead to resentments, imbalance, or disconnection, not just with others, but also within ourselves. But here is the gift. By tuning into the subtle verbal cues, what's being asked, offered, or invited, we can create clarity and connection. You can often identify an invitation, request, or offer by the way it ends, with a question mark on a sentence of spaciousness. This spaciousness allows you to make a choice, giving you the freedom to decide. Ask yourself, is the spaciousness there for you to make a choice? And when you speak, are you offering the same spaciousness to others? This practice creates a foundation of trust and safety, key elements for meaningful connection. And while this may not apply in real emergencies where immediate action is needed, in everyday interactions, this space for choice is transformative. So let's practice this awareness today. Think about a recent conversation where someone expressed a desire or made a statement like, I want this to happen. Ask yourself, was there spaciousness in the words? Were they offering you a choice, or did it feel like pressured? Next, think about a time you made a statement like, I need this done. Were you giving the other person space to respond, or did it come across as a demand? So take a deep breath. For the rest of today, listen for this spaciousness in the way people speak. When you hear an offer, request, or invitation, notice whether it feels open and allows you to make a choice. Similar, as you speak, ask yourself, am I creating space for the other person to choose freely? So this practice helps you notice the subtleties of communication by recognizing the presence or absence of spaciousness. You can create more trust and respect in your interactions. Imagine the clarity and ease this brings when both sides feel safe to express themselves and make choices without pressure. Today, as you interact with others, listen carefully. Are you being given space to choose? And when you speak, are you giving others the same freedom? Practice offering and recognizing this spaciousness is building trust and clarity in every conversation. And as you move through your day, notice how this subtle awareness shifts your relationships. By listening beyond the spoken words and tuning into the intention and spaciousness behind them. So you create space for deeper understanding and mutual respect. Tomorrow we explore how to move to self-love and compassion, learning to hold yourself with kindness in every sensation, thought and feeling. For today, enjoy the gift of clarity and spaciousness in your conversation and connection.